Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a sleek high ponytail, super clean, simple and very elegant, but with a little twist because you know me, I like a little bit of extra detail and you guys already see the final look. So guys, let's get right into it. So guys, you want to start with clean, fresh hair. That's the key to getting your ponytail nice and sleek. If you've seen my wash day routine, you already know I stretch my hair without any heat. So if you're wondering how I got it this smooth, check out that video. I will link it in the description box below. I went ahead and I made a tiny middle part, probably about, I don't even know, 3 centimeters. Don't quote me on it. I just wanted to add a little definition instead of just plain slick back look, you know. And before I tie it up, guys, I like to hold my hair in place and just check it in the mirror to see where I want my ponytail to sit. And I usually go for a higher ponytail. I just love that lifted look. And once I'm happy with the position, I go ahead and I secure it with a hair bubble. And here's my holy grail, guys, the RedOne hair wax. This is honestly all you need for this style. And now, as you guys can see, I'm brushing my edges forward just to separate them from the rest of my hair. I will leave it for now and come back to it once everything is nice and sleek done. And now, as you guys can see, I'm just applying my hair wax all around my hairline, basically the whole perimeter of my head, just to keep everything nice and smooth. And just a quick tip, a few months back I accidentally cut a section of my hair, so it's a lot shorter than the rest. If that happens to you, just apply your wax in layers, flatten one section at a time so it blends in and lays just as flat as the rest of your hair. Once I've applied the wax all around, I start brushing it. Well, I start combing it using a comb. I feel like the comb was really helping to massage the wax in my hair, if that makes sense. If you have a hard brush, you can use that too, but you want to make sure you take your time here. These steps really makes a difference in how sleek your ponytail turns out, so you want everything to lay flat and smooth. Once I'm happy with how smooth everything is, I'm gonna go ahead and hold it again just to secure it for the final time, and I'm gonna go in with my Got2b free spray for that extra hold, especially around the sides where my hair tends to lift. So guys, at this point, you can just leave your hair like this, call it a day, and just, leave it. So I'll see you guys later. Psych. So guys, just to ensure that everything is flat, I go ahead and I braid my hair into one big braid. You basically want your ponytail to look as natural as possible. You want it to look like it's growing out of your scalp. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I use my Got2b spread one last time, and then using headbands that I made with old pair of tights, I just tied that down, not too tight, so that it gives me that nice and smooth salon finish look. So now guys, it's time for me to work on my edges. So while my hair is setting, I'm just using my same hair wax, the RedOne hair wax, and just applying that all over my edges. And then I use one of my edges brushes and then just start to create something beautiful. So I have to be honest with you, I did want to do my edges, but I wasn't sure how. Like in my mind, I just had basic slick back ponytail with cute edges, but as I got to this part and I kept on just swooping and swirling, I don't know, I was honestly just improvising here, guys. Like I had no plans or anything, and that's one thing about edges, like you just have to keep playing with it, and before you know it, you've created something so beautiful. So guys, once I'm happy with how everything looks, I go ahead and I spray it down with my Got2b free spray again, just so that it has that extra hold. Then using my headband, I just tie it down again just to let it sit for a while, and then it's time for my ponytail. So guys, while my hair is setting, I'm just gonna go ahead and put on my ponytail. I picked up this ponytail from Amazon. It is so affordable, very cheap, and also they have various colors. You can just pick the color that suits you best. I will leave the link to that in the description box so you can get yourself some. It also comes with a claw clip, so you can just easily just clip it on, but I was definitely not about to do that. I'm definitely going to take out that claw clip so I can insert it more securely, and I decided to go ahead and brush the curls out just to give it more volume. I do love a lot of hair, so brushing it out ensures that it is nice and thick. So to make sure that your ponytail is on securely, you want to grab the combs they provided. There's one at the top, one at the back. Just securely insert that in. Grab your drawstring and then just wrap that around as many times as you can until there's nothing left to wrap. But you want to make sure that you don't do this part too tight, otherwise you will be uncomfortable after a while. And then just to ensure that it has a more natural finish, I grab a piece of hair from the ponytail and I just wrap that around until there's no more hair to wrap. And then there you have it. It should be all nice and secured and feel very comfortable. So now guys, it's time to reveal everything, and look at that. It looks so good. I was clearly very happy. And that's basically it guys. A super easy slick ponytail that always looks put together.
Live it up, we're going up, shawty, pull it up. However you want, I know. Live it up, we're going up, shawty, pull it up. And do it how they do it up in H-Town. Purple in my cup, we for to slow it down. Do it how they do it up in H-Town.
Let me know what you guys think in the comment box. If you try it, then you can tag me please. I would love to see your version. And don't forget to like this video guys, leave a comment down below, and also subscribe. And I will leave everything that I used in the description box so you can check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Lately, all of the hate speech don't even faze me. Great things you're doing, great things, you're so inspiring. I know that you got a man at home, don't gotta lie to me, I know. Yeah, these days you're growing up, these days you're glowing up. I know you heard it all before. Yeah, I just can't give you up. I think that you're the one, baby, so live it up, we're going up.